لا تحسب أن الدين بعيد عن حب وحياة وبهجرك الدين.
Oh my god, bro, we're slipping.
People ask me what success sounds like. Let me show it to you guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as you guys know from the title and the thumbnail, it's a special one. I am surprising my dad with my future dream car. I'm gonna be showing it to him. I'm gonna get his reaction and see how much he likes it or if he doesn't like it and all of that stuff. But a little bit of background, guys. Exactly 6 months ago, where I'm going right now, I surprised my dad with the current car that I'm sitting in, the Rolls-Royce Ghost, and he loved it, mashallah. He still loves it to this day. He loves the drive. He loves how comfortable this car is, and today I think it's something very special for him again. I'm just buying cars right off the bat. You know, I had to change my Dodge, as you guys already know, and I'm doing it as soon as possible. So I'm gonna surprise him with 911 GT, and we're gonna see his reaction and see if he actually likes it or not. Currently I'm on my way. I think my dad's gonna be there in like an hour, so I'm gonna be a bit early, you know, get the car ready, get the stuff ready, and see how he likes it. To be honest, at the end of the day, the only reason why I'm even doing this is because I want to make his dreams come true. We all have limited time to live, me, myself, you, everyone who's watching, and you have one shot in life, bro. If you don't make that count, and if you don't make that dreams come true and actually get that life that you actually want to live, then what are you doing with your life, bro, at this point, honestly speaking? You have to understand that you don't have forever to live, and your dreams are not going to wait for you forever. You have to actually take action, get your life sorted, and do something that could potentially help you in the long term and actually make your dreams come true. So, but anyways, alhamdulillah, man. Wow, D11. Do you see the number plate? That's insane, bro. D11. That's probably like 4 million, mashallah. But yeah, the next goal is actually a good number plate. You guys already know, people are still roasting me for my number plate, but guys, look, long term I am gonna get everything that I truly want for my cars, whatever the modification, whatever the plate, whatever it may be. But for now, I'm just focusing on getting the collection, you know, 2 cars that I truly dream of, and I am actually getting rid of my Dodge, so that's something that I'm gonna do. And I've loved the Dodge for so long, and I've actually loved it for the longest time. But yeah, it's finally coming to an end. I think we are at the place, guys. We're just gonna get the entrance ready and we're gonna go inside. Man, I'm so excited, alhamdulillah. I hope every one of you who's watching this experiences the same day, inshallah, and I hope each one of you actually gets to live a day like this, bismillah. Guys, at the end of the day, there's nothing impossible, and you guys already know this, that no matter what it is, as long as you actually put in the work for it, you're gonna get it. So yeah, we just parked the Rolls-Royce, guys. I am gonna show you guys the Porsche right now. So yeah, boys, we're currently walking to the car that I've been dreaming for the longest time. It's right over here. Of course, I had to cover it up and make sure it's safe, mashallah. Look at this beauty right over here, man. I think my dad's gonna love it. If I get this car, bro, like, I think my collection is set for the next 2 years, 3 years. I'm not sure, because I'm a quick guy, you know, I usually buy and sell cars quick. But yeah, let me turn it on for you guys, give you guys that cold start, because I haven't turned it on. Let's check it out. So yeah, boys, this is the key right over here. I'm gonna give you guys the specification in a minute after I surprise my dad, inshallah. Guys, it feels like an oven here, but let me just turn it on for you guys. Yo. It's insane how quick this thing is, guys, mashallah. Oh my god, bro, this is so lovely, wallahi. I mean, guys, think of a car that has everything in one, you know, but the only thing that's missing is kind of comfort, which sucks. But if the comfort, if it comes with this kind of power, you know. Oh my god, bro, it was slipping. No, I should be driving one hand, bro. That's insane. Alright, guys, right now we just parked the car beside the Rolls-Royce. I think my dad's gonna be here in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna get the car ready. We're gonna, you know, put the cover and everything. And once he comes, we're gonna unreveal it. And we're gonna show it to him and see his reaction, inshallah. So let's do it. وحملت الرحال
على المطايا عبيدك يا إله الناس غاو وليس سواك يمنعني هدايا أتيت وقد توزعت الهدايا وحملت الرحال على المطايا عبيدك يا إله الناس غاو وليس سواك يمنعني هدايا.
Just got done giving a ride to my dad. What a day to be alive. Have these two cars beside me, alhamdulillah. What a blessing, wallahi. At the end of the day, it's all due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, alhamdulillah. Now guys, here's what happened. I gave my dad a ride in this car. He actually drove it by himself and he liked it so much. For some reason, my dad used to hate sports car, but this one right here, he said, it's one of the most beautiful cars he has seen in terms of color and in terms of shape. So this is something that he truly liked so much that I might finalize it within this or next week, maybe after I come back from the traveling. So inshallah I will be having this car under my feet very soon. As you guys already know, I have the Rolls Royce. A lot of people were doubting me about it, saying it's rented and all of that stuff, but you guys know how we do it. I usually take the car on a ride, on a spin, make sure to check it out before I actually go ahead and purchase it. And that's what happened here, alhamdulillah. It's truly a blessing, the fact that I even have enough money to actually purchase a car like this or even something better. Alhamdulillah, man. A lot of you guys are curious how exactly I'm able to do all of these things, how I'm actually able to reach this position. Well, I've told you guys 1,000 times that it's all about taking action, and the quicker you take action, the quicker you're gonna reach to the top where you wanna be in life. And that's the same thing when it comes to dropshipping and e-commerce. If you truly started from today, don't give up and keep testing products after product and just persuading it until you have got a successful product and you have scaled to a good point, you're gonna actually win. And that's how life works, man. I now have over 1,700 students getting taught by me personally. So if you want to get into that, inshallah, the link is in the description, hustlersecom.com. Make sure you go check it out, and inshallah, let's go on the ride.